we started off creation, the relationship size requires or generally relationship. We are facing women's needs that is Facebook. When time is not simply clear, and the question is, why is this something that changes history? As a teacher, I was a class manager in a common suburban family. Those who saw at 8 and 10, my mom was just with me. Her home, a licensed gardener and MBA degree in Finland. And as she was taking the degree, I had the opportunity to work in Hong Kong, Singapore, or other countries. For me, it was really an attractive offer for me, as I always wanted to work abroad. I knew it was not the right time for me to have a freebie like that. Once I said no to it, I made a long travel plan. I was also worried about spending comfortable off never being here. So the invitation activates the ability and the feeling of inspiration makes it the hardest decision in my life. The good side is that although I found that the far more decisions, although I was deciding what to do or what not to do, it made me feel excited to create a new piece of life far away from here, to make my dreams come true. So I finally made the decision. Not only to live on, but time to be motivated to realize it. But the truth is, change has never been easy. The fear of making a wrong decision always haunted me. And as you see, thinking it just becomes a better decision for me from absolutely and to secure my career path. If we are also questioning ourselves about your decision, please note, this is just a normal part of the process. All you have to do is to focus on reasons, not just the truth. Whether it is higher education, biological science, or legal opportunities. So as you know, at the future of your life, Australia is a beginning among the United States. It's hard to know why some excellent students get estimation of culture with full-time reading flexibility with a student with something they intend to. But that isn't true. People have way more confidence to express their idea. Sometimes they are not really sure about that, but they are open to certain ideas. As an educator, I've always listened to the best person to say. Personal culture